Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below because I got plenty more products I haven't reviewed yet that I have in. Plenty more stuff I'm going to be buying. You don't want to miss out. Hit that subscribe button. Now today's product, what we've got is a music box kind of thing that I bought on eBay for just a couple bucks. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. Now this is a transparent version of the music box so you can see exactly how it works, why it works, and everything that has to do with it. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so this thing comes in pretty standard eBay packaging. This isn't the bubble wrap type packaging, it's just really like the plastic. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up with the $1 keychain key knife I reviewed in another video. Here is the box that it comes in. As you can see, it's got little decorations on the box. It's a little smashed, but it seems to be pretty well protected, which is great. Alright, so this is the unboxing experience. Boom. And you can already see what we've got in the package. It is a little music box. Now it does come in some plastic. Rip that right off. And here's the product. It is a fully transparent music box. Now it does look like it's made out of pretty decent high quality materials. This outside is definitely made of plastic, but it seems like a really strong plastic. Like if you did drop it, it might still survive, which is a great thing. Now this end here definitely rotates. As you can see, it's a little flimsy, it's a little weird, but oh, what was that? Uh-huh. Ooh, okay, so that's what the song is. Now you can definitely get this thing in multiple musics. I believe there's ones with like Harry Potter themes and stuff like that, which is really cool. I wish I could find one that had like the Jurassic Park theme on it because I love Jurassic Park, but it's okay. I found this one. It's just kind of a random song. If you know what it is, you can go ahead and pop that in the description, let everyone else know because I'm not entirely sure. And you can see this top part here. What happens is this screws around, which causes the main drum to rotate. And what happens is these little pegs on the main drum go over these little tunes of metal pieces, and it makes them like vibrate really quickly as they go past. You can probably see how it stretches them up. See how that one up there is just sprung up a little bit, and when it goes past it, it goes down, makes the sound. And that's basically what happens. And since it's in a box like this, the sound resonates, becomes louder, and gives you your music. It's pretty fancy. I love the way that it's got like a gold look to it. There are screws on here if you ever needed to take it apart. They're Phillips head screws, which is also a great thing because if anything ever goes wrong, you want to be able to take it apart. It looks like you could, if you wanted to, replace the inner drum and the tune with something that you actually want to have customized. You can make your own custom sound, your own custom song with it, which is very fancy. I love that aspect that you could customize it if you really wanted to. Now what's cool about these ends, like the corners, is that they're kind of like magnifying glass effect. You can see how it like zooms in weird on the drum and stuff like that. It's interesting. It's on all the corners. So that's really fancy. I like the product. Seems pretty high quality. For just a couple bucks, you really can't beat it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review of this music box that I found on eBay. For just a couple dollars, you should definitely get your own. It's a nice little knick-knack for your desk. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. It's going to be right here. If you want to see the last video, click right up there. If you want to check out the playlist of all the budget-friendly product reviews, right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.